Hello everybody. So this video is to show the new features in the beta release of RapidTraderPro. Now we are moving from alpha to beta at this point, and that's mostly because we're not going to add any more major features to the product before we go live. Now we can see two major new items on the screen here. First of all, we have the Auction Vista integrated. Now note that we do have a new Auction Vista in development. This is actually just using the existing one from the plugin version of Jigsaw. We've just integrated that one. Then we have the orders and positions window. You can see the positions tab has been developed here. The orders tab will come in a week or so, followed by the template integration. So don't test the templates there. We haven't actually finished that part of it yet. Now the positioned window is pretty straightforward, but for the testers, please bear in mind that we have two parts to this, or two things that we developed that we didn't have before. So one of them is the window itself, and the other is all the back end work to try and figure out what our positions are, what the average price is, where we got filled on a position, what happened if orders were filled when we were offline. So in this testing, we're looking for issues in both how the UI works, but also in the data itself. There's lots of options for sorting and grouping. You can have a play with them. We will actually document all this, but I think it's worth just walking you through the grouping to start off with. So we can add grouping very easily just by group by this column. But in terms of removing the grouping, it's just a little more tricky, maybe not so obvious. What we can do, if I just right click and show group by box, we can actually see the properties or the columns that we're grouping by here. And to remove the grouping, you just have to move that column back in, and then you'll just see an ungrouped list. So apart from that one, the filtering, the grouping should be fairly straightforward. Now you can see over on the right here, we have the tools icons, and what we can do, we can actually click from the positions window and actually launch the tools. We can launch the recon tape, the summary tape, the depth and sales, pull up the Auction Vista, that kind of thing. So please have a play with that. Tell us how it goes. As we're in beta, we will be making RapidTrader more generally available to Jigsaw users over the next couple of weeks, so look out for that. And as always, thank you for all your help testing. It really is appreciated. And once we get out of beta to the live mode, there will be some little bonus for the people that helped us during the testing phase. So thank you very much.